Hi, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Kira.
And we are the Keepers of the Books, your online librarians. And we are here with an unboxing of a lot of books from the Disney Book Group. Okay, this one just has a couple books in it. So we have Gabby Duran and the Unsittables, the beginning. This is a really cute series and I've really liked it. So this has Gabby Duran and the Unsittables and Gabby Duran Troll Control. So 2 books. And I know this was a TV series now. That'll be a ton of fun.
This is a cute little board book called This is the Construction Worker by Laura Godwin. Be fun for those kids who like construction.
Toy Story, Welcome to Andy's Room and Beyond. This is a picture book about definitely more than Andy's room.
Oh, and here's the picture book version of This is the Construction Worker.
Okay. War of the Bastards, The Rebels Will Rule by Andy Schwartz. This is book 3. This is a really good series so far.
Escape from the Isle of the Lost, a Descendants novel. This is book number 4, and I believe it will be the final one in the series. The Lion King. This is a novelization, and the lion on the front is so cute. So this must be for the live one that's coming out. First Day of Groot. Of course, baby Groot is always adorable, so this will be really fun and the pictures look really cute. Another Lion King book, Hakuna Matata by Brittany Rubiano.
Spider-Man Swings Through Europe. Let's see, words by Calliope Glass, pictures by Andrew Cole. Okay, so we had a mishap with the card, and so don't know where it left off. We'll just go through all the books really quick. We won't even say anything about them, but this is Where I End and You Begin by Preston Norton. And we had Linus the Little Yellow Pencil by Scott Mcgoon.
Underwear by Jen Harney.
Okay, and so what bugs me about the Charmin commercial, those bears don't wear any clothes at all. And they're picking the underwear up off the floor, like who's gonna pick it up? But they don't wear clothes. Ever. Mama Siang by Rosanna Sullivan.
Lucky Pups, a Puppy Dog Pal story.
The Pirate Angel, The Talking Tree, and Captain Rabbit. Of course, this is an Avengers.
And Guardians of the Galaxy definitely makes an appearance because Captain Rabbit is, of course,
well, just look at the cover. It's Rocket and Groot.
And what my favorite I'm looking forward to, Mirror Mirror, A Twisted Tale by Jen Calanita. Fun series, loved them all.
The Devouring Grey by Christine Lynn Herman. And this is for fans of the Raven Boys and Stranger Things. So I'm sure it's out there. Don't Date Rosa Santos by Nina Moreno. And this one is for fans of Jane the Virgin and One Day at a Time, which One Day at a Time, I love that show.
I love that show.
Okay. World of Reading, The Watermelon Seed, and Good Night Owl.
Both of which are picture books, so it'll be interesting to see how they adapted it to a level 1 reader.
And Aladdin, Far from Agrabah, an original tale by Aisha Saeed. And this, I'm sure, is because of Aladdin. One of my favorite series, the Disney Princess ones, The Secret Room. This is one of the early chapter books.
Forky and Cracked Bunny Day, written by Drew Daywalt. This is the same author who wrote The Day the Crayons Quit and The Day the Crayons Came Home.
First Day of Groot. It looks like it's a baby Groot.
This is The Construction Worker by Laura Godwin. Pictures by Julian Hector. This will also appeal to fans of construction trucks.
The Curse of the Cursed Temple of Curses, or We Nearly Died a Lot, by Scott Peterson and Joshua Pruitt, illustrated by Brian Ajar.
And on the back, it says, "Hello, lovely tour. People who all paid up front. I am your captain, Captain Kevin Adventureson, the infamous Captain Kevin, and welcome to your Shipwreckers Adventure Tour. Danger guaranteed. I am wearing no pants, and we are leaving now."
Because by Mo Willems and Amber Wren.
I love Mo Willems. It'll be fun to read this one.
Destiny Arrives by Lisa Palmer, and this is Avengers, of course. Harbor Bound by Catherine Bailey and Ellen Shee is the illustrator.
Peter and Ned's Ultimate Travel Journal, Spider-Man Far From Home is the series, written by, of course, Peter and Ned. The Bony Hand, this is the sequel to Charlie and the Frog, the first book, by Karen Kane, fun mystery.
My Big Bad Monster by A.N. Kang. Spider-Man Swings Through Europe by Calliope Glass and Andrew Klobb, and this is Spider-Man Far From Home.
Lion King Hakuna Matata by Brittany Rubiano and illustrated by Therese Larson. Go with the new movie.
The Best Treehouse Ever, level 2 reader, to go with those Disney Princess Lego books. I still, like for the easy readers, they're still adorable.
They are.
I love that series. Feminist Baby, He's a Feminist Too. This is a board book by Lauren Brandt.
Lion King, the novelization. I love the little lion on the cover, so it's definitely going to go with the live action Lion King.
War of the Bastards, The Rebels Will Rule by Andrew Schwartz. This series is so good. Definitely fantasy, but this has been a good series.
Escape from the Isle of the Lost. This is book 4 in the Descendants novels. They are by Melissa De La Cruz, and I think this one's going to be the conclusion to the series, so it'll be fun to read this one.
She's a good author.
She is. Star Wars Alien Archive. This is a guide to the species of the galaxy. Perfect for Star Wars fans, of course. And it looks like kind of one of those Dragonology type books. So readers are definitely going to enjoy this one.
The Great Indoors by Julie Filatko and illustrations by Ruth Chan.
There's no place like someone else's home.
Uh-oh.
Let me guess, the animals break in and decide to enjoy somebody else's house by plugging into their electricity?
I'm not so sure I'd want to come home to that.
Me either.
Watch Out for Wolf by Annika Moros-Risi, illustrations by Charles Santoso.
Another Mo Willems book, yay!
No, it's Dan Sentat. They crossed out Mo Willems' name.
Okay, it's an Elephant and Piggy-like rating. And it's Harold and Hog Pretend for Real. Maybe they pretend to be Elephant and Piggy.
I think that's what it is, considering they were wearing fake elephant nose costumes. Okay, there are a ton in this box. So we've Lawrence in the Fall by Matthew Farina. Okay, I love this series. Love this series.
Well, now you gotta show them the book.
This book actually is already out because some of my students have already read it. This is The Everlasting Rose by Donnell Clayton, and it's a Bells book, so this is book 2. The Bells was so twisted, and you get to the end and you're like, what in the world? The plot wasn't the plot.
And then it says
The
at
last
the
sentence.
end.
The last sentence changes the whole book. And the book seems all happy, and then you get to find out that it's like really dark. Queen's Shadow by E.K. Johnston. Of course, this is Star Wars.
As Long as We're Together. This is an Andy Mack novel. It will be great for fans who like Andy Mack. Ooh, a puzzle. Okay, this is way more fun.
Okay.
This is a new one, but I think
It's a
I'm gonna
puzzle.
like it. It's a puzzle.
I wasn't
A
expecting to find this in the
robot-shaped
box.
puzzle.
I seriously wasn't. This is a shaped puzzle. It's a robot. It's 50 pieces by Mud Puppy, ages 4 and up. 10 1/4 inches by 20 inches, so it's actually pretty big. That is so cute.
That is so cute.
Since when did they put a puzzle in the box?
I don't know, but I love it.
Okay, that's cool. Sal and Gabby Break the Universe by Carlos Hernandez. This is a
Rick Riordan Presents.
but this looks like it goes with Gabby and the Uncitables to me.
It did to me too.
Because the Gabby is in the same font as the Gabby and the Uncitables.
I wonder.
And the universe thing fits with the whole aliens.
It could be a crossover.
That's cute.
That is way cute.
A Friend Like Him. by Suzanne Francis. Illustrations, Dominic Carolla and Ryan Felt.
Definitely going along with the Aladdin movie coming out. I love the series. It's Crashing Heat by Richard Castle. It's an adult novel, but it also goes along with the Castle series that ended a while back. But I love that series and the books. Star Wars, an Obi-Wan and Anakin Choose Your Own Adventure. These are always fun because you get to pick how the story ends.
And you can usually read them like 6 different times and see all the different adventures.
Which is the best part, because it's like 6 books in one.
Most of the stories are pretty. Usually there's like one main story and then a bunch of little short ones. But Chasing Calicity into the Wind by Ginger Z. This was ABC News' chief meteorologist, or maybe she still is. This is book 2, and Chasing Calicity was really good.
What Makes a Hero, and this is by Pamela Bubblewicks, and it's painted by Ida Cabin. Goes along with Captain Marvel, which I've yet to still see.
Okay.
The Book Hog by Greg Pizzoli.
Just don't let him in the library. That could be a problem. This is the Center for Cartoon Studies Present series, and this is Satchel Paige Striking Out Jim Crow by James Sturm and Richard Tommaso. And this series, the style for the graphic novel is really simple, but it has a lot of information and they are nonfiction. They're generally biographies and historically accurate.
I love graphic novels because they use both sides of the brain and they really take a different kind of reading.
They do, and plus they're accessible for more people. All Are Broken Pieces. Twinchantment by Elise Allen.
Oh, that'll be cute. There's magic on every page and not just the spellcasting variety.
Okay, here's what Jessica Day George says. A thrilling tale full of magic and adventure, perfect for fans of Ella Enchanted. Waylon, the Most Awesome of All by Sarah Pennypacker. The Waylon books are adorable and they're very funny.
This is book number 3. Kazu Jones and the Denver Dog Nappers.
So I'm assuming it takes place in Denver.
And it's by Shauna Holyoke. Oh, I loved the first one of this, Ari Shaw and the End of Time. This was Ari Shaw and the Song of
Death.
Ari Shaw and the Song of Death. It's by Roshani Chokshi, and it's another Rick Riordan Presents. This is going to be a really fun one.
The Lovely and the Lost by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I get it. It's my book.
Okay, this one's an Aladdin Easy Reader, Beyond the Palace Walls.
Level 2.
Level 2. Obviously, it has to do with Jasmine.
Wait, I want this book again. Oh, and this is a great series too. Okay, The Fairest Kind of Love by Crystal Sestari.
Oh, I like the back.
To find true love, you need faith, trust, and a little bit of fairy dust. Hey, isn't that a quote from Peter Pan?
Yes.
Okay. So, anyways, that is all of it. We will be reviewing it shortly. Right now, we are going to go steal the books and read them. Well, we can't steal them
from each other.
Anyways, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. In the comments, put which books you've read or which ones you want to read below. And we will be back with the reviews shortly. Hopefully this summer. Sometime. Look forward to those. Anyway,
until next time.
Happy reading. Bye.